guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, today we had a very good expiry. In Bank Nifty we had seen almost 500 points momentum in the second half. That was a good game. And for tomorrow, let's see what our trading plan will be, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But in Nifty I have something very important to tell you. Guys, you can check out here. Yesterday I had mentioned about this. Nifty has not closed above this Indician candle high. That is Wednesday's candle. The high was 14903.90. It has not closed above it. Today's close is somewhere around 14895. So today's high will be a key level for tomorrow, and also if it closes above today's high, only then we can expect some momentum on the upside. And in Bank Nifty also I'll explain you the plans in the future chart. Let's see what our plans are for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Because all these zones what I have updated here, there's a resistance zone, support 2, support 3, support 4 zones. All these zones will be updated in the description box. You can go and check it out. And if someone is new to the channel, guys, please subscribe the channel. And if you are enjoying watching my videos, give a like. Now let's see what our plan is for tomorrow on Bank Nifty. Guys, the first thing what I'm seeing here is, you can see here, this is a 5 minutes chart. And you can see this trend line has been holding very well for today, right? So tomorrow there are good chances prices can touch this trend line and bounce back on the upside. And in case it closes above today's high, that is 35,488, in case we see any close above this level, then we can expect some more momentum on the upside. Yesterday I had mentioned you a rise of almost around 500 points. That has happened today. Any close above today's high, we can expect 35,600, 35,700 and 35,800 to come in. These are the targets on the upside. Just once prices starts moving in your favor, just start trading the stop loss. And I had also shared a strategy on intraday. The link will also be updated in the description box. If you have not seen that, go and check it out. And if we see this trend line breaking, and probably prices will enter S1 after this, and at this level we may come across 15 moving average also. Just see where are 50 moving averages. Okay, on 50 moving average is far enough. So on 5 minutes time frame, let me tell you, in case we see any close below S1, we can expect S2 to come in, and from S2 we can expect S3 to come in, and below S3 we'll have the targets on S4. I usually watch 15 minutes candle and 50 moving average. That's very important because sometimes there are good chances it will take support at that level and move up or down. I'll show you what has happened today in both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is a 15 minute chart, guys. You can see here prices had breached this 50 moving average, came down, and you can see once it has given a good closing above this, there was a good rise on the upside. So tomorrow also this 50 moving average can act as a good support once the prices come down somewhere near S2. So any close below this trend line, we can expect prices to move to S1 and S2 zone, and at S2 probably we can have this 50 moving average, which can also act as a support, and in case that breaks, we can expect S3 and S4 to come in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, this is a 15 minute chart, I suppose. Yes, this is a 15 minute chart, guys. You can see here, this is what I was telling you. Sometimes there are good chances prices will take support at this 50 moving average and bounce back. This is what has happened, and I had expected the same thing yesterday also, and I had updated that in the video. Now for tomorrow, for the first thing I'll show you what I have drawn. I have drawn a trend line here. You can see the trend line. It's almost, I have taken the low of Feb 2nd, 12 o'clock candle low, and this is on log chart, and I've drawn a trend line. So for tomorrow, if you see here, there are good chances prices can head down to this 50 moving average. But before that, let me tell you what I am looking at. In case we see price sustaining above today's high, then we can expect 14,980 and 15,020. Let me mark that. Any close or if price sustains above this R1 zone, we can expect a move on the upside up to 15,060. This is what I'm hoping for. And any case it starts moving more on the upside, I'll just start trailing my stop loss. And The other chances are it can again enter this zone, R1 zone, and from here it can reverse, and at this point of time probably we can see 50 moving average coming nearby. Once this breaks and if trend line breaches, there are good chances prices will enter S1 zone. This S1 zone will also be very important for tomorrow, because after breach of 50 moving average and this trend line, the S1 zone is the first zone which will provide support. If that breaks, then we can expect prices move on the downside. From S1 we can expect S2 zone to come in, and from S2 we can expect S3 zone to come in. This is what I'm looking at for tomorrow's trade, and this will be my trading plan as well for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll update all these zones what I've drawn in the description box. You can draw the same zones, and you can see how beautifully Nifty and Bank Nifty has been respecting the zones. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you're enjoying watching my videos, give a like, and in case you have any doubts, drop a comment, and you can check out the intraday strategy link in the description box. I'll very soon make one more video how exactly I use that strategy, even for consolidation breakout and different kind of breakouts. What I'll be uploading a video very soon on that also. Guys, thanks for watching the video. In case you have any doubts, drop the comment. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.